the first thing that makes a man is he's got to be a male. And I think he's got to be clear on his purpose and his mission. He's got to be doing some good work for the world. Now, a lot of people hear that like, oh, I need a mission or purpose, and they kind of get intimidated. It's like, oh, I don't want to have a podcast, like Ryan has, or, I'm not really going to be an influencer or whatever. You're like, if you're a great artist, your mission could be to be the greatest graphic designer within whatever X company that you're working for. And here's how I can shift your perspective on that. If you're the art person, if you're the graphic designer for a company, realize your work is what the world sees. It's the first impression that people get for the company. Yeah. So if you look at that as like, this is my purpose, is to create great art for this company, and you show up every day fully committed to bringing that purpose to the world because it helps other people. That's what a man could do. That's what a man does. A man doesn't need to be making $1 million. He can have a minimum wage job, but if he takes pride in it, if he lives with honor, if he lives with integrity, I'm not here to give people values to live their life by, but I've defined my life into 5 very clear values: honor, integrity, courage, discipline, and wisdom. It's how I start my day, reminding myself of the man that I'm trying to become. And it's how I finish my day. Did I live in line with those values every single day? I think that's what a man does. I think a man is clear on who he is, on who he's trying to become, and he wakes up every day working towards achieving that. He's not consuming. He's not a consumer. He's a giver. He gives to the world. He doesn't take from it.